PJ ground pounder. Today we have a lot of electrical today, so if you ever have a battery problem or you need a jump or anything on the road, the battery sits under here. Eight screws to get to the battery, which is right here. So what I'm gonna do is use an Anderson cord. This will be coming out of here somehow. As you can see, I got the other one over here. I'll splice this cord on the other end. If I want to use jump off of a battery, I'll have that connection. If I want to jump off the jumper, I'll have that connection. Keywig phone holder, which is a charger and a USB port. This time went with Keywig. Got the right luminous, so we'll see how they work. We'll get them installed. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hope something in this video can help you out if you do have a Pan America. And so we're gonna get after it. Stay tuned. Here we go. Do is take this off here. So this is the first time I ever did it. I'm just sharing the experience with everybody, so I'm not a pro. But what we're gonna do first is just at least mount the lights, and then once I mount the lights, drop the engine guard, hook up the battery Anderson cord, and then we'll just kind of work forward from there. Last thing I'll do is put the phone mount on. Took the crash bar off. I'm gonna have to loosen up the other side on that bar so this slides back and levels up. I need a little play there so I can line that back up, put it in. But it gives me a good look at the bike. I get to pull this stuff out and see what's going on down here. I already have the bracket in the place that I want it, so I will at this time go ahead and tighten it down. Okay, here I am over here, taking off this other crash bar. As you can see, I took that one off. The crash bar over here. I didn't take this fairing apart. I've never had a road glide before, but I think I got one now. See that fairing don't move. Fairing up top is just a couple little somethings there. It's right off. We got to take this pan off here, and then we're gonna get down to the battery stuff. Few things that is going to go directly to the battery. One is the lights that are down there, that's on the crash bar we put together, and then we have accessory lighting, so we can power it on and off. It's not consistently running. And we have, of course, the jumper, the Anderson cable. We got to hook that directly to the battery. Charger for my phone. I'm gonna run that directly to the battery also. So I'm still tinkering around, still out here doing it. We'll get rid of all this excess wire here. Okay, here's my splice. Got our splice done. We're gonna go ahead and test it. Plug it up. Yep. So we got power. Okay, we got this in. So now I extend it to where this is going to be way outside of the battery area. Okay, we got this cable dialed in. So now when I hook it up down here, all my wires will come way up here. So now I can do my fuse changes up here. If I blow a fuse in it, I got it right here.
If I end as a loser, it'd be worth the game.
So let me turn the bike on. Boom, light comes on. So that means I got switch. Watch these lights, y'all. Okay, y'all, basically had to fire the bike up. I'll look into it a little closer, but we'll do the lights right now. Let's see what turn it on here. See in there. Up and going, that's the low mode. That's high mode. It's white. Oh yeah. Good deal. Got it all buttoned up now. Now it's a lot neater down there. Not a lot of wires. So here we go. We got to lift the tank up. I was going to try to wrap and tuck these. Just tuck them. But I'm going to have to do it a little better than that.
Be worth the game.
So after putting all this, getting the harness wired in, the lights are working. This is for the lights. That's the switch. Okay, this switch is working for the phone, the USB. Everything seems to be good. Let's see here. Yep, got lights in front. All is well. So now we'll start working. Get that switch mounted and then start getting it put back together here. I like it, I like it. Shorten them up. I ran this over here. Yep, I like it. Alrighty. T20 takes care of this here. Okay. Looks good in here. So if you can see in the box, it's super clean and the lid is super clean. That filter is like brand new. So we're looking good. But this is where the air cleaner is, air filter is for this bike. Okay, see there, it's in there. All right. Alrighty. Okay, the left side over there was kind of tricky, so what I would say, definitely want to take your time because you don't want to cross thread the tank. So anyway, I kept this side loose and it gave me room to play with it over there, and I just put my hand over there on the other side, moved it around, and you can feel it kind of settle in. Back here, slide it back. Gas squirted on me. Got that back hooked up, got the wires hooked up in there, pretty clean. That's what it looked like from there. Now, purposely, I left out, I'm getting tired down here all day. Keep sitting down. So, only thing I think I would have did, I should have like cloth wrapped this. I could do it. But I wanted this fuse available. That's for the light. See that? It comes down about that far. I could zip tie that up there. Then I ran across, down, so it goes down under here. This will get, no, this is how it was from the factory. My wiring is behind this actual plate right here. So then I came down around, see where I come out here, and then this ended up being my battery area connections. So I spliced all these wires, as you can see. I didn't want to put them together as one because I don't know if I might have to do something separate with them, so I didn't want to have them all tied in. Then this is my quick start. It worked last night. I was able to use my jumper right there. I can access that fuse. I could access that fuse, because you know, y'all, when we're on the road, we don't want to go through a whole bunch trying to fix stuff or find something or whatever. I still got to hook up the lines for the gas tank and all. I'll do that shortly. Put a clamp on there, and then, as you guys know, I put so this is the light switch. This is for the lights. This is for the phone mount. This also is for the phone mount, and the USB up in there so I could hook my Garmin to it. But I'm gonna hook the Garmin up over here to this USB-C or whatever it's called. But again, showing you again, this is the mount. This is what it looks like from behind. So everything is out of the way. I can turn the bike, do whatever I need to do. Everything's solid. So looking good. Got the lights mounted. So we did an install on the keywig lights. We have my wiring, a whole bunch of splicing and things. That fit up under there, tucked real nice. Nothing's crimped, nothing's stretched. And I really don't mess with electrical stuff, but being retired and having time on my hand, I went and bought a few tools and some supplies. One more thing I want to do, I want to take these cables and then put an Anderson connector. So what I'm gonna do is I'll have this and I'll have this. Okay, you know how this one goes. Hooks right to the box. And then I want to do one for this also. So this right here, hook up there. So if I have to get a jump or something off a battery, I'll have enough cable. All I did was took the Anderson cord plugged in here. Trying to do it with one hand. Plugged in there. Got this box. Plugged in there. Booyah. Hit the boost right there. Bang! Fired right up. So there we got it, guys. Got lights. Everything's running good. Switches are okay. Phone's hooked up where it's supposed to be. I can turn that on. Phone pops up. Good to go. Give me my time, date, and calendar. Everything's good. Got the USB port here for my GPS. And we're looking good. Got my switches hooked up. That's my lights. That's for my phone. So that's pretty much it, everybody. I want to do better with this switch here, but we'll get it all figured out. Thanks for watching. Again, have a great day. This light right here is hot. Hold on. Let me back.
Prize position. One of my prize positions. You ready, Maya? Say hi to the camera. Ready, set. This is Mom reporting.
Motivation or just inspiration, subscribe to my channel, PJ Ground Pounders. Let's get prepared and rock.